How to pipe up your backup in a box plus. You have your 15mm mains water pipe coming into the building. So this pipe will come up into the John Guest fitting below the solenoid. So this will allow mains water to go through the solenoid over the weir and then down this pipe here back to your underground tank. These two couplings here are supplied with the unit. These are push fit, so they will literally just push on at the bottom of the unit. You don't need to glue them. They're a nice tight fitting, so if you ever need to change this unit here, it can be unscrewed and popped off without cutting into the pipework. We recommend using 32mm rigid pipe. This pipe here needs to be 300mm long before your first bend. This pipe allows the mains water, as I said, to go back to the underground tank and partially fill with the mains water. This pipe here we recommend again in 32mm rigid pipe. This is your overflow emergency, which needs to come down and go on a 90-degree bend out of the building to your footpath, patio, wherever, somewhere outside the building. So if this weir was ever to back up, it's got somewhere to go, and then you can see from outside of the building that you've got an issue and you can come in and turn off the unit.